here because they're kinda unique. Okay, to drink a little bit. Maybe I could have used that purifier, but who cares? Let's just put this in power armor. I don't know if power armor is maybe too light. 100 pounds. It's like 70 kilos. It's maybe too light, look at that. So much metal. Okay, I think I'm ready. So where am I ready to go? Okay, let's modify my carry weight. Yeah, one another thing, I forgot it, damn it. Scarp metal. I need to dispose 28, so it should be fair. 28. You see how conveniently you can choose how many you want, and you can't do it for the ammo, and that's what makes me so much work. That's how many I spent on power repair kits. And yeah, let's modify my carry weight. Minus 10,000. That's how I modified it. Yeah, it's perfect. So finally, I don't know, I spent like an hour more. Sorry. That was boring. The weather is really nice. It's not raining. Yeah, I think it was successful, my changes to the weather. What I've changed is just the chances of certain weathers to appear. Originally it was 25% chance to rain, 25% chance to snow, 25% to be cloudy, and 25% only those other weathers. And I don't know why the fuck. Maybe 24 for the snow, and 1% was for windy, 1% for foggy weather. I don't even know if I ever had foggy weather. Okay, so I'm going to Galaxy News radio station. Why? I want to get that Lincoln's repeater. That will make me feel safe in case I encounter those enclaves. But I'm not sure. Okay, let's hope there are no super mutants here. Okay, they're all dead. They should be. They're still performing oral sex. The enclaves have have better armor than Bros. So let's activate this quest.
Not bad, kid. Not bad at all.
Yeah, no, I'm not bad. Why? You don't teach me how to wear this shit. And make everything easier for everyone. Is this the way? Yeah, looks like it. So yeah, that motherfucker said it's one-way direction. Why? I guess it's because when I leave this, he doesn't let me in. Motherfucker. Welcome, okay, you're going with me. And I know there will be a lot of goals here. No, I can't. No, I can't. Motherfucker. Where's Malcolm? Okay, a lot of red dots. Okay, they're all goals. Where the fuck is Malcolm? What the fuck? Ah, come on. Who are they fighting? Malcolm! Come on! Malcolm! What the fuck happened? Okay, let's try that again. Why does he summon down below? Where's Malcolm? Ah, damn it! There he is! Why he has that cocktail? What the fuck? Whoa. Oh. Don't go in front of me. Ah, damn it. Why does this happen? I think it's not fair at all. Oh, come on, what the fuck? It's an interesting movement. I think that if he dies, I can revive him. It's just not fair. How could he get spawned there? What's going on? Okay, I should stop wasting ammo. I don't need to kill them from that far. And of course, this is not a long range weapon. So they don't trouble me. Whoa. That felt like something hit me. What the fuck? Did Malcolm just kill that glowing one? Ah, damn it. Come here, you motherfucker. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I need to go this way. Can you come to me? You know what's our strategy? You're a stuff carrier. Just carry stuff. And especially forbidden is for you to steal the kills. And I think that's exactly what he has done. Motherfucker. Oh, maybe I can score the kill again. Let's see. No. Okay, that won't be even fair. I wasted some ammo. But it was my fault. I need to go that direction. Okay, wait here, motherfucker. They couldn't really hurt him because he has high armor thickness. Let's see what's over here. To maul. To those red dots. Okay, I know this carry more. Well, both ways should lead to maul, right? Okay, let's see what's here. That was a Brotherhood of Steel sign. If they use this armor, it should be clear. Oh yes, I can go both ways.